was an appeal after a conviction of the 6 pastors. The complainant has mentioned on page 4 of that judgment. Even though criminal judgments are instituted in the names of the state, but the state is not an amorphous object. It acts through human beings who become cases. Therefore, Pastor Robert Kayanja, as a complainant in that case, Pastor Robert Kayanja as a complainant in that case, I have noted that after hearing the third witness in this case, defense counsel started seeking leave of court to examine the third witness on another adjourned date. The reason advanced, among others, was either the defense counsel was not feeling well, or that the state took long, like 3-4 hours reading a witness. This is a witness who has testified for only 1.5 hours, from 11:30 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. Minus 40 minutes of hearing an objection, that leaves 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and volumes to study. Let counsel consult their clients and be ready to cross-examine this witness today. I therefore overrule the prayer for adjournment. Counsel 1 hour and 12 minutes. Consult their clients and report back to court for cross-examination at 3 p.m. October 2024 at 9 a.m. for further cross-examination for PWU 13.
It's okay.